Welcome to aminacademy.com. In mathematical formula and their explanation, let us discuss about binomial formula. In binomial formula, before that we have to understand what is factorial of n. That is, factorial of n can be written as n factorial, where n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. For example, 5 factorial is, we have to write the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in reverse order up to 1 and multiply all of them. That is given 120. Also, you have to understand 0 factorial is always 1. It is not 0. Now, we will discuss about binomial formula. Suppose here x plus y whole power n is a binomial expression. How to write in sigma notation in this formula? Sigma, where k equals 0 to n, nk, nck, n combination k into x power n minus k into y power k. This is the expansion. Now, in factorial form, we can do x power y whole power x plus y whole power n is x power n into x power n minus 1 into y, n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, that is third term, into x power n minus 2 y power 2. Then n into n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial into x n minus 3 y power 3 plus dot 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 and plus y power n. Look at here. Here everywhere the index power is n here. Here n. Here y power 1. Here x power n minus 1 together is n. Here also x power n minus 2 y2 together is n. Every terms have the same index power. Now, for example, expand a plus 5b whole power 4 by using binomial expansion. First term is a, that is a power 4. Look at here. Then second term is 4, which is n equal to 4 into first term is a power, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. Then second term is b, y is 5b power 1. Then 4 into 3, n into n minus 1. 4 into 4 minus 1 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So which gives 6. That is a square plus 5b power 2. Then continuing 4 into 3 into 2 over 3 factorial, a power 1 5b power 3. Then plus 5b power 4. Then simplifying, which gives a power 4 plus 20a3b, because 5 into 4 is 3, and here 4 into 3 by 2, that is 6 into 5 square is 25. 25 into 6 is 150, a square b square. Then next is 4 into 3 into 2 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Then 4. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. And 5 power 4 is 625. So this term is here 4 into 5 cube is 125. 4 into 125 is 500. It's correct. Then 5 power 4 is 625 b cube. This is the expansion of a plus 5b whole power 4. Even in between the negative means we can use it the second time as negative and we can calculate. Next we'll discuss about what is general term of expansion x plus y power n. The general term is represented t r plus 1. T r plus 1 the term is ncr into x n minus r y power r. This is the general expression of nth term of this expansion. Find, for example, find fifth term of x plus 2y power 8. Here, fifth term means t5 is t4 plus 1. That is tr plus 1 is the general term where r equal to 4. Use r equal to 4 here. That is t5 equal to 8c because n is 8. 8c4, r is 4. 8c4 x power 4 n minus 4, that is 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2y power 4. So which is 8c4 into 8c4 into 2 power 4. Let's check 8c4 here. 8, 8 c4 is 70. 8c4 is 70 into 2 power 4 is 16. 17 into 16 is 1120 x power 4 y power 4. This is the fifth term of this expansion. Next we'll discuss about middle term. Middle term of x plus y whole power n. There are choices one middle term or two middle terms. Here, if n is even, there is a only one middle term, that is n over 2 plus 1. If n is even, that is this nth term. N plus n over 2 plus 1 term is if n is even. If n is odd, there are two middle terms, which is first middle term is n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term. There are two middle term if n is odd. Now for example, find the middle term of x minus 2y whole power 7. Here that index power is odd, that is 7. That is n is odd. There are two middle terms. The first middle term is n plus 1 by 2 term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term. Here n is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2 term, 7 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term. That is here 8 by 2 fourth term and 9 fifth term. 8 by 2 is 4 plus 1 is fifth term. Now here fourth term t4 equal to tr plus 1 where r equal to 3 because 4 is 3 plus 1. Now tr plus 1 nth term is ncr x n minus r y power r. Here 7 n is 7. 7c3 n is 3 x power 4 into second term is minus 2y power r, that is power 3. That is nc3 is 35 and x power 4 minus 8 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. So this is a here. Then fourth term. Also we have to find fifth term. Here the fifth term is 8 then fifth term is r equal to 4. 4 that is t5 equal 8 7c4 because n is 7 7c4 x power n minus r. N minus r is 7 minus 4 is 3 and minus 2y r is 4, which is equal 7c4 is what? 7c4 is 35 into x power 3 into minus 2 or 4 is 16 y power 4 which is equal 16 into 35 560 x cube y power 4. There are two terms we can write. That is, first is minus 280 x4 y3, and second term is 560 x cube y4. These are two middle terms of this expression, x minus 2y whole power 7. Next is independent term. What do you mean independent term? If you expand any binomial expansion, if there is no variable, only the constant, that term is called independent term. In expansion, a x power p plus b over x power q power n is a binomial expression. Here we have to find in this expansion what is the term independent to x. Here that is tr plus 1. This is independent term ncr a power n minus r into b power r, where here, look at here, there is no x or y any variable expansion, only the constants a and b. Now where r equal, the expression r we have to calculate np over p plus q. Find the independent term in this expansion. Here 3x power 4 plus 2 over x power 8 by 12 is equal. For this we have to find r. R is np over p plus q, where n equal to expansion n equal to power 12 into p is 4. P over 4 here is 4 and q is 8. So np 12 into 4 over 4 plus 8, which is equal 12 and 12 cut and 4, because 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 where r equal to 4. Then r equal to 4. Therefore T5 is the independent term, because r plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore 12C4, 12C NCR 3 by 8. So here what is this? A is 3 and B is 2. 3 power 8 and 2 power 4. So the independent x term is if 12C4 3 power 8 into 2 power 4. So far we discussed about what is binomial formula and their middle terms, expansions middle term and general term, independent term, those we found here. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.